Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's topic is going to be talking about aloe vera. This plant has so many benefits to it. It is amazing. I love personally using this plant for my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this and today's tutorial for my hair. So let's get into the video. Aloe vera and just the plant itself also helps to penetrate the hair follicles that could condition it and improve damaged hair. If you have like dry hair, crippled hair, anything like that, this plant is great for that. After letting it sit for about an hour or two in your hair, I personally recommend just rinsing the gel off with water, of course, and then just like a mild shampoo. And yeah, you should be good after you do all this. To make things easier, I like just to put the gel in a blender. That way I can go ahead and separate the juice from the gel pieces itself, because when we apply this to our hair, we want to avoid getting so much gel pieces stuck into our hair, because I can tell you, I've done it before and it takes forever, especially those with curly hair, to get it out. Well, just people's hair in general, but honestly, curly hair, it's a hassle. So to make things easier, I take a nylon and use it as a filter just to go ahead and separate, again, the juice from the gel of the plant. And after I get it all in like a little bowl, I do like to use avocado oil as well with this mixture. This is such a very slimy texture too with aloe vera, just so y'all know. Literally feels like a snail. But avocado oil is really good just for dry scalps, or just to prevent dryness and just hydrate the hair. So I like to personally use, for me, 1 tablespoon. It just depends overall on how your hair is. So if you have a greasy scalp, like where your head is obviously getting oils, then you want to not use so much. The thing that I like to do as well is just to take a spray bottle and a funnel, just to make it easier on me to go ahead and put that in a spray bottle and apply this to my hair. I also did add a little bit of water just so my hair could get wet and a little bit damp, so it helps absorb this. Then I keep just going across my whole entire scalp. Such a great detangler, guys. It makes it so soft and so it's so slimy that the hair strands will slide into place to unknot themselves. So it just is overall a really great detangler. And then I like to go through and brush my hair, just to make sure I get all of the knots and everything. And as you can see right there, perfect for detangling. Okay guys, so then this is just showing part of where you could see it's so easy to go through my hair that literally I could just finger comb right through it now. So after I get that all done, I just put my hair up into a ponytail. Yep, we're getting a bag on my head, and then I just double bag it so it just stays in there to keep that humid in there, so my hair soaks up all that juice.